So hello friend, good morning, Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Computer. Okay, in the first chapter we have already given introduction. Okay, table in MS Access. Okay, and we have seen the data types. Okay, we have already discussed data type like text, number, currency. Okay, date and time, hyperlink, all these things. In a table we have seen all the rows and column, number of table, number of columns, number of rows. Okay, collections of rows and collections of table, all these things we have done. The next is field properties or creating a table in MS Access 2010. Okay, so how to create a table in a MS Access? First we will see. So there are basically two types. Okay, two way, using a data sheet view and using the design view. So we will see here. There are basically two way. First is using data sheet, using data sheet. Okay, and using a design view. Sorry, using a design view. Using design view. So now we will open the MS Access and we will see the step by step. Okay, so first click on the start button. Okay, here all apps, you will see the Access 2016. Okay, click on this and Access will open. This Access you will get the different creating a particular template. Okay, for creating a database. So if you want to create database of your contact list for mobile number contact list, so you can use this kind of template. If you want the student detail, then you can use student detail template. Okay, call tracker. Okay, nutrition tracking, charitable contribution, task management, all these thing, inventory, lending library, personal account ledger. Okay, all these thing template you can use for the creating a database. You can save the database, very good facility providing by the Microsoft using this Access. Okay, so there are ready-made template you can use. Okay, so the column number, column name should be given. Okay, is already given. Okay, so you can just keep your put your data in this table, already created table. Okay, in this particular template, but we are not using this kind of template. We are using a blank database, desktop database. Okay, so click on this and here give the name. Okay, any name, like I am giving your student detail. Okay, student details. Now click on create. If you want, where you want to save. Okay, so we are saving currently C drive, user, my name and documents folder. Okay, so click on create button. So your database is created. Okay, now click here. This is the data sheet view and this is the design view. First we will use by data design view. Okay, so click on design view. Here give the name of the table like student. Okay, sorry, standard 8, name of the standard 8. Okay, click OK. So our standard 8 table is okay because we have student database. So in a student, many students are there, standard 1, standard 2, standard 3. So we are in standard 8. So that's why we given the name of the table name is a standard 8. Here the field, see this key is a primary key. This is what primary key. When you, if you primary key is the use of primary key, that is you cannot enter the duplicate value, means unique record. You can enter the unique record. Suppose if I am using the ID as a number 1, suppose I am number 1, so I cannot enter number 1 again. Here I cannot enter number 1. See, okay, so when you enter the primary key, okay, here currently not given primary key, that's why we are entering the primary key. And this is our designing view. In a data view, okay, in a, when you keep the data, okay, at that time you cannot enter one again and two times. Okay, so any record you cannot enter the two times when you use the primary key. Understand? So here we are using the primary key. Okay, so here first we will give the name of the field. Suppose name, okay. Then here the name of the text, okay, number, date. Name means character, okay, so here we will take the long text, okay. Second is a address, so again long address, long text, okay. Then mobile number, okay, so mobile number is a number, so we cannot use the text, we will use the number. Second is a date, next one is what, date, okay, so here we will take the date option, okay, date and time option, okay. Now this is our table, is our basic table is created, okay. Now how we can see the table, okay, so save this, open this table, save this table, okay. See, you can see the here date and mobile number, address. Here we are entering the data. How you can enter the data, okay.